everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. For those of you who just joined in, I do makeup videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you like the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So guys, alam nyo na, December na. So holiday season na. Marami na naman tayong parties na pupuntahan at gusto natin maganda ang ating makeup. For the longest time, I've always did a holiday makeup tutorial na red lips. But this time, iibahin natin. We will do a nice dainty lip with a really nice sparkly eyes. So if you want to see me transform from this to this, please stay tuned and watch this video. So I've already applied my moisturizers, my toners, medyo ready na ang ating face. And then now we're gonna apply primer. Yes guys, bumabalik tayo sa dati nating mga style ng paglagay ng makeup dahil meron tayong bagong product ngayon and gusto ko malaman kung magiging okay talaga siya sa aking skin. Sama na natin ang eyes. Let's just make sure na primed ang eyes. So next will be the eyes. So guys, maglalagay ako ngayon ng tape kasi yung gagawin nating eye makeup, meron siyang technique na nakita ko recently and I really thought it was so good that I need to try and do it here in my channel. Sana makuha ko to ng tama, no? I got this hack from Elena Ratchitskaya. Guys, ang ganda niya. I really love her videos. So you know me, I hardly do any of these hacks, but for now, we will try our best to apply. Okay, first we are going to apply first concealer. So guys, I don't have an eye primer. Usually naman talaga naglalagay ako ng concealer sa mata. Meron tayong gagawin dito sa area na to nakakaiba na napakaganda ng pagkagawa niya. So with the lightest shade over here, just apply. Just to help the other shadows to blend easily and swiftly. I don't usually apply really dark eyeshadows because they are so hard to manipulate. But this time, we will do that. So just wait because I need my lids to be super prepared. And let's zoom in. Alright, so I already have the base color in. And now we are going to do like a really nice sparkly, this shade over here or this one. No, this one lang. This one lang. Ito lang muna sa gitna. Lagay ko na siya hanggang itaas ha. Kinakabahan ako sa gagawin natin kasi hindi ako sanay. I love this. By the way, I'm using the Natasha Denona mini eyeshadow palette. Next in the roster, yes. Woohoo! Nervous. Let's really go for the black, okay? Dito tayo maglalagay. This is like a struggle for me. Okay, akyat na tayo for that wing because this is the whole intention of this. Is that I'd be able to do a nice wing with it. Tama, we need to mix the black and the silver or the gray. I love that so far. Depende sa taas guys ha. Ito medyo nataasan ko yata. Nako, sige mamaya. Ayusin na lang natin yan. Mas madaling ayus. And then the other eye. So just that part guys ha. Okay, and then with a brown shade, which is this dark brown here, lalagay ko dito sa taas. Ayan. So, meron palang smoky effect ngayon yung ating eyes, no? Parang papatungan mo lang ng konti yung part na yan. Okay? So far, the effect is so nice. Then next, I am going to use my eyeliner. This is the part where it gets tricky for me. Okay? Wait lang ha. Trust the process. Okay? Because it's very hard to do a tight line. Okay. And then with the brush that we used earlier. Hala, oh my gosh. Need to smudge it a little. Woohoo! Meron lang konting disconnect here. So, konting lagyan lang natin dito para lang makonect siya kasi hindi na niya kaya. Okay? Sige, titigilan na muna natin yan ha. Sandali lang. And then, with this, haha! Oh my gosh. May fallout lang. Sige, aayusin natin yan. Buti na lang wala pa tayong nilalagay. So, just continuing with eyeshadow. Okay, kasi nahirapan ako kanina. So, ito lang. Yan. Then here also. Smudging lang. And then, with another, this one, the gold one, na mas dark. Lagay ko nandito. Baga, let's just, with my fingers also, para lang. Yan. Okay, that's really pretty. Lovely! And then we're gonna apply mascara. Let's do 2 coats of this so that maganda yung ikalalabas niya. Yes. And then another technique that I got from Elena. Wait ha, lagyan ko muna as always, you know me, I need to fill in the waterline with this eye brightener. This is from Bobby Cosmetics. We're going back to the sparkle. But you know what? I'm gonna do that later kasi maglalagay pa pala tayo ng concealer. So before I go there, and my eyebrows, let me just apply my concealer and foundation. So, next is foundation. So, guys, ito, meron tayong bago. Tada! I got the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour tinted serum. So, I got it in the shade 1 to 2 Rosy Light. A little kwento, nagawa ko na tong video na to. Sa totoo lang. I did it the other day and sadly, parang na-notice ko yung mga foundations ko nag-darken sila. I don't know kung yung foundation yon possible or dahil din hindi na ako naglalakad sa ilalim ng 10 a.m. sun. Yung complexion ko lalo pang namuti. So, I had to buy this sakto 11/11 sale and I got this one. And pero Shopee question lang, bakit hindi sealed? Puno naman siya pero hindi siya sealed. Yun lang ang gusto ko malaman. Walang box, walang seal. So, yun lang yung sad part nito. So, let's do a shake, squeeze, and then apply here. So guys, dadamihan ko ha. It's very liquid, very runny texture. I'm hoping that this will be enough coverage for me as well to ensure that we have concealers naman. So we're gonna apply concealer para lang sigurado tayo sa maging outcome nito. And again with my K-Beauty brush, let me just So there's a plus naman pala with using or applying foundation after. It's not my normal. Often apply eyeshadow after. Just to manage your expectations, it's a serum. So it's not really like a full coverage makeup, which I like because I really just want my skin to be skin. But I want the areas to be covered, yung mga dapat takpan, matakpan. I tried wearing it at the store yesterday around 5 in the afternoon when I received it. Okay naman siya, hindi siya yung type na parang mahulas. So far, that's a good that's a plus. So medyo cool tone tayo ngayon ha. Hindi tayo masyadong focusing on the bronzer. Wow! Ito lang kasing mirror ko, ang ginagamit ko yung talagang pinakamalapit kasi gusto ko makita ano yung nagiging texture ng skin ko. Sa camera, okay naman. I hope the camera is doing justice. Should I add another layer to this? I'm scared. Okay, the whole point of this is that para talaga siyang skincare, as they say. Sige, pero okay, a little more. Hindi na natin natiis. Dun sa mga areas na hindi ko masyadong ilagyan kanina. You know, your fingers also does wonders for your makeup because it heats it up. Yan, okay. That looks really nice. Next is concealer, and we will be using the Maybelline, the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. By the way, ginamit ko na siya kanina ha, sa mata ko. So, dito hindi na. Dito na lang. Okay, dito. So, we are going to use my concealer brush. I can also protect yung nagawa na nating eye kanina. Parang it needs to be like a really flat brush, no? Pero pwede na to for now. Not bad. Nalinis ko naman siya. And then with my big brush, use this for the middle. Next is the eyebrows. If you've been following me, you already know that this is how I do my eyebrows. You can skip this part, but for those of you new here, so I'll just show you. I don't do a lot. I use a spoolie first, and instead of using my Bobbi Brown pencil, I'm gonna use this heavy rotation eyebrow wax. So, 'di ba? Darating ako sa school ni Felicia na ganito yung itsura ko. Kasi I have to pick her up pa. When I pick up my daughter, I always look like I came from work. I don't have like mga makeup routines lately that will make me look extra pretty when I pick up my daughter. So today will be like a shocker for the guards because they're gonna see me like this. Ooh. Si Mami nagpaganda, nanundulang. O, 'di ba? Siyempre, Christmas eh. Okay ba? Di ba over? And then again, kapag nasobrahan mo yung lagay, just tame it with a spoolie. And so far, I love it. It looks really glam. Medyo mukha tayong Swan Lake today. Next, babalik na tayo sa... Okay, we're gonna go back to the eyeshadow kasi ilalagay na natin with the nice sparkly brown that I have here. Let's go back here. Yan yung extra special na ginawa ni Elena sa kanyang eyes. Naglagay siya ng, like, instead of a brown or di ba yung mga usual natin, naglalagay siya dito ng yung sparkle nasa ilalim. Done with the eyes and done with the base, we're gonna move on to blush. Dun sa video na pinakita niya, ang baba ng placement. Hindi ko talaga type, guys. Dito na lang tayo sa, dito tayo sa ibabaw. So, with just a little bit on top of my palm or my hand, let me just use my fingers, okay? Gantong blush lang. The good thing about this blush, this is from Ever Belena, the Pillow Pop. Super blendable siya. You can trust that it will blend seamlessly on your skin a little later. And then maybe with my blush brush, Give it some time to warm up into the skin. Talagang sinadya ko para mag-blend siya dun sa concealer, sa foundation, para pag naglagay tayo ng powder, super nice siya. Guys, lately, this is the only thing I've been using. Like, this is the only powder I've been using. Naaawa na ako sa ibang powders ko. Hindi ko na sila nagagamit. Because this is the only one that works. Even the expensive one. So guys, cool tone lang tayo ngayon. Hindi ako nag-bronze. If I would, a little later, I will show you what I will use. I am loving the foundation. Okay, it's the Placado look. My friends will be proud. I think that's our time. That's our generation. The Placado look. Parang yung, how do you actually define that? Yung talagang pantay na pantay. When you say Placado, pantay na pantay. Tapos full coverage. So Swan Lake with my frilly top. Yeah. So next is this one. Para lang mag-less sharp lang ng kaunti yung ating features, ano, kasi parang everything suddenly sharpened. Let me just apply this to sort of like give us a nice tan glow. See, this is what I mean about, I didn't apply a bronzer, but I applied this beautiful, beautiful, like, parang bronzer glow ng BLK. This is the Radiant Glow Filter, guys. This is like, if I ever, because I hardly ever do like a 2025 best of the best, this is part. Like here on top lang. See what I mean about this product? It's liquid, but it blends so well and does not disrupt your makeup. Yeah, I really love this. And for the sake of applying a contour, again, I applied on top of my, and then dito lang. Fingers na guys, di na ako nag-brush ha. See? Ah, ganda naman. Ganda. Yan, dyan lang, dyan lang, dyan lang. Then just tap it, tapping motions ang paakyat. Good job, BLK. This is one of the best you've produced. And then if you want to like apply lang, yan, nilagyan ko na dyan. Yan, para lang magka-contour sa ilalim. And then in my last video, di ba, I've been looking for like something to apply here. Tayo makahanap guys eh. So, siguro ito na lang for now. So that may konting glow, may konting, and then hindi sobrang malayo, tas dito lang. Para para hindi tumama na sa clothes kasi yun talaga yung worry ko. Yan. Ganda ba? I love it. So far, nagagandahan ako. Okay, next, lips na tayo. Naglagay na tayo ng balm. Ngayon, we are going to use the lip liner of Charlotte Tilbury. There's another hack that I'll see if I can do it now, okay? With lip liners, I always like to fill in the lip. Let's try it. It's actually a eyebrow pencil. And I should have done this kanina, but let's just do it now. It seems like it's complementing. Next is this one, the Refresh Rose. Okay, this is like a really, really, really nice lip gloss on top of your lip liner. But for me, it is just so sticky. So I don't use it alone. I always add something. And this is actually a new one. This is from Issy. Sayang, di nila nakita yung sa ibabaw nito meron na. And this is the Solar Balm in Prim. I like this because this is such a cool color and this will add the hint of pink to our lip today. Adding that second balm makes the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss less sticky. Tapos na tayo. So guys, final look na. I love what I did to the eyes. Ang galing nung hack na yon na tinuro ni Elena Rachitskaya. Ang ganda. Hindi lips ngayon ang focal point. Mata. Ang tawag ko na sa look na to, the Swan Lake look. It is so perfect for like a cool tone Christmas look. It's giving Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas, or Ariana Grande. I would be able to test this out. Kasi yung foundation, first time ko lang na-try. So, I'll see you in a few hours. And so, we are back. It has been about 3 hours since we last filmed this morning. I ended filming around 11:15. It is now about 2:15, 2:20 in the afternoon. And what can I say? Okay, in the last how many hours, I picked up my daughter from school. We went home, we had lunch. It was hot downstairs. It's the typical testing area for me because I always do it at home. Okay, ano masasabi ko ngayon dun sa foundation? Kasi ito yung pinaka-tinetest natin kung tatagal siya talaga o hindi. Guys, palakpakan natin itong Infallible 24-hour tinted serum kasi ang galing niya, ang ganda. Meron kaunting, kasi I didn't retouch but I blotted a little bit because nafe-feel ko na yung pawis. There was a little, very little transfer. But the transfer is because I kinda dug into the skin, kaya may transfer. Pero, kung hindi mo gagawin yon, wala halos. Hindi siya tulad ng ibang drugstore makeup na kapag nilagay mo, napapansin nyo yun sa tissue, may mga, kita mo yung mga angulo kung paano mo ginawa. May pag diniin mo parang sumasama maraming foundation. Ito hindi masyado. I really have nothing bad to say about this. Except for one thing, hindi siya sealed when I received it from Shopee. So yun lang yung medyo parang nalungkot ako. Kasi syempre, gusto ko yung makeup, pag natatanggap ko, bagong-bago or assured ka na hindi siya bukas or hindi nabuksan. Yun ay box lang. Although, it's still good. I'm pretty sure naman L'Oreal will not dupe its customers into giving them merchandise that are used, diba? Even though it's on sale. For the foundation, it's a plus. It's amazing, and the shade match is also so good. And that's another thing, ha. Never buy foundation online. Ito suntok sa buwan. Buti na lang na natsyempohan ko. Nasakto yung shade niya, match siya sa complexion ko. Kasi kung hindi, nag-aksaya tayo and that would be so heartbreaking. So, no, don't copy me. Go and buy sa store so that you know for sure kung ano yung shade na para sa'yo. Dito, sinubukan ko lang siya dun sa L'Oreal Paris na website na merong virtual try-on. That's not accurate, guys. So just make sure to buy at the store where you can swatch your foundation or your concealer. Despite all those little hiccups that you went through, this is still very good. I say it's a 10 out of 10. Next are the eyes. I cannot believe them. Okay, would I always wear this? You know what? It's a technique that I would like to continue doing kasi I finally figure out what to do with this part. Kasi whenever I apply a wing, I always just rely on the pencil na magawa ko na enough na pag ganun. Pero that part, this part under is always walang laman or hindi na siya shade, so hindi ko nasasakto. And also the tape. It's really a great technique, guys. No matter what we say. You can buy facial tape, sure, but, you know, sa mga nagtitipid, na tulad ko, na ayaw nang bumili ng mga ganon, ito na lang. Sandali mo lang naman siya gagawin. Doing your eye makeup first, I didn't realize na okay pala siya. So, this is a first time for me na inuna ko, and wala akong nilagay kundi concealer, tas nag-primer din ako. And then, the eyeshadow na, ang ganda pala, pwede pala yun. Ang hindi ko lang siguro kayang gawin is maglagay na ng eyebrows kasi pag naglalagay ako ng foundation tsaka ng concealer, talagang I have the tendency, I'm heavy-handed. So I have the tendency to really just make sure that every nook and cranny of my face has foundation and concealer already. Kaya hindi ko kayang linisin, tapos kailangan talaga after. So, sige, let's retouch. Unahin natin ang lips because of course, yun talaga ang unang nawawala. But I used my eyebrow pencil to sort of like contour my lips. And then now the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. This one. This is actually new. I bought this about a week ago. A week ago. At nagamit ko na ng ilang ulit. And just like the one that I used previously, the AC Solar Bomb in Jam, this is also really so good. This is Prim. The shade name is Prim. So it's like a cool soft pink. Diba? Retouch tayo ng powder. Normally, when I need to retouch, it's really just here in this area. And also here lang. Yan. And then with just a little bit of blush, I'm gonna use my K-Beauty one. And then I'm gonna use this. Yun lang. Perfect. So what are my final thoughts about this makeup look? It's amazing. I have no other words except that. All the products we used today worked beautifully. And it is definitely worth a try. And go ahead, try it out at home para sa mga parties nyo in the next few weeks. And so that is it for today's video. Sana marami kayong natutunan dito sa aking holiday makeup tutorial na gagamitin ko ngayong Pasko, na sana kayo rin maimpluwensyahan kung magamit nitong makeup look na ito because it is so pretty. And guys, 2025, ito na, patapos na talaga, and I am just so happy na nandito pa kayo. You are hanging out with me and spending time with me and watching my videos. And I sure hope to see you again on the next video. Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year. Goodbye!